I was given these motors a few years back, along with a pile of Bugs 3 bits, by a fellow flyer from up in Queensland, Australia. Goes by the tag on YouTube of Raven187, and I just had them sitting in a cupboard for a bit because I was quite happy with the Bugs 3 motors. So I disassembled these things, took the stack off them, and realised that they're good higher kV higher kV motors than the standard Bugs 3 ones, and they came with what I reckon would be obsolete 20 amp ESCs, fairly elaborate. And I suddenly thought, well, if I strip all that away and put them together with a proven modern SPEDX 20 amp BLE S ESC, they're worth giving them a shot in the bug. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. I'm mounting them on the arms, and I've already tested one to make sure they power up, which is no reason why they shouldn't. But so here I am with a Bugs 6 frame. It's got a Bugs 3 motherboard, 20 amp ESCs. So there's the original Bugs 3 motor. In fact, here's another one over here. Let's get this tape off it. And as you can see, these motors are quite a bit bigger, and even compared to a Bugs 8, Bugs 6 motor with the wretched bloody strippable plastic threads, it's bigger again. So I'm curious to see what it does, because I could never be bothered up till now. I was getting ample power from the Bugs 3 motors. I had plenty of them, but as I'm getting down on things, I suddenly thought, well, I can free up some Bugs 3 motors for another project, but I'll give these a bit of a go on this frame. So I thought I'd start to record it in case it makes an interesting video. Okay, so I'm using an old Bugs 3 charger just to charge up a 2S battery for the first test flight. So it's all cobbled together just for the first effort, and then if this works well, I'll go on to 3S, and if it still looks alright, I'll mess around with different props. But this is the first test outside that I plan to do with it.